unboxing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away. The first item is the accessories holder, then the pet brush, now the crevice tool. Next is the dusting brush. This is the handle and hose. This is the floor brush. The primary extension wand. And this is the lift-away. And lastly, the second extension wand. Okay, to assemble, lift up the connector on the floor brush and snap the lift-away in place. On the extension wand, snap in the accessory holder. Then connect the crevice tool. And the dusting brush. Then connect the handle to the top of the extension wand. And on the rear of the lift-away, snap it into place. Connect the hose to the lift-away with the tab facing up. Okay, you can remove the handle by pushing the red button, and now you can connect a tool or an extension wand. Or if you want to remove the whole extension wand, you can push the button at the bottom. To remove the lift-away, press the button, that big red button there at the bottom of the lift-away. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.